Hey guys, what's up? Christy Deer here. You want to know why most people never reach their income goals or have the business and lifestyle that they crave? Why? Because of the stories they tell themselves. They fill their mind with fear and self doubt and uncertainty. They tell themselves 101 reasons why they can't be successful. What happens? They block themselves from success. They stay stuck. I'm here to tell you that you can have a fun and profitable business that you love. How do I know that? Well, because I was once on the other side. Now, I was that gal telling myself all those stories, all those reasons why I couldn't be a successful international coach. I was keeping myself blocked, stuck, broke, unhappy for a while. It wasn't until I learned how to master the inner game that my outer world changed. And boy, did it change. I started applying these mindset tools to my daily life, and my world changed. Not only did I feel better, but I started making more money. I started attracting my ideal clients. I was making great money working from home as an international coach, being able to stay home with my children. And that's the best feeling in the world. I thought everyone needs to know these simple yet powerful mindset techniques. Everyone needs to know this. No one has to stay stuck and struggle, living paycheck to paycheck, missing out on their dreams. So that's why I created the Magic of Your Mind free workshop. Yes, you heard that. Free workshop. In this free workshop, I'm going to share with you the simple yet powerful tools that you need to apply to your life to start changing your money story, to stop going from struggling and pushing and pulling, start attracting your ideal life. See, it all starts here. It starts with how you think, what you believe is possible for yourself, and how you feel about what is possible for you. So just click on the link below, check out my free workshop, learn how you can apply these tools to your life today, right now, and start changing your money story and start changing your life. So cheers to your success, and I'll talk with you soon. Bye.